name is KAMARUDIN. I am the leader for this group and for this project. I am responsible for the movement of the members of the group, and also I am in charge of the written report, which means I am doing the introduction, the methodology, the raw data, and also to compile the statistical data from all of our group members.
Hello everyone, I am HUSNA binti Abdul Manaf.
Hi everyone, I'm SAHIRA binti SAIDI.
Hi, I'm LAILY AMEERA binti JEFRI SAMSOL. So our team choose one sample t-test.
Assalamualaikum. Hi, I'm ERIKA binti AFKAR.
I am ZATIL FARAHIYAH binti RUZUAN.
I am SYAFIQAH binti ZAINAL.
And we are from group PET sample t-test for our assignment.
Hi, I'm SARAYA Najwa.
Hi, I'm LAILY.
Hi, I'm DAYANA YUNUS. So for this project, our group is assigned to do independent sample t-test.
My name is Najhan bin NAZLAN. I'm assigned to be the photographer and also the videographer to edit everything.
One sample t-test is
Perform using one set of data
To obtain a single mean
and compare the mean to test a value.
This test compares two means data from same subject, individual, object, or related units. The two means typically represent two different times or two different but related conditions or units.
This is a statistical test that determines whether there is a statistically significant difference between the means in two unrelated groups. The test is performed using two sets of data from two independent samples.
So our team choose shampoo as our sample.
and we're going to Aeon Big.
Which are the Guardian and the Watson. There, we compare the items sold at both of the prints.
Group, we are going to brands outlet to get the men's clothing and women's clothing prices for this project.
One sample t-test. The methodology. In order to collect the data, we use direct observation as our method, whereby we conducted a survey to observe the price of shampoo which contained 320 ml at Aeon Big ECM Kuantan Pahang. There are 10 brands of shampoo selected for our sample using simple random sampling. These are the raw data. Okay, the statistical test. We want to see if there is enough evidence that the price of shampoo 320ml in Aeon Big is higher than 13 ringgit. Hence, this is one tail t-test. The significance level of one sample t-test is 0.05. Therefore, alpha equal 0.05. The hypothesis is like stated. Okay, these are the SSPS output. Alright, on average, the price of 320ml shampoo in Aeon Big is 17.87 ringgit. Hence, it can be said that the average price is totally higher than 13 ringgit. The decision. Referring to the SPSS output, we find that the p-value is 0.001, and since this is a one-tailed test, the value is divided by 2. 0.001 divided by 2 is equal to 0.0005. Comparing P and alpha, P equal 0.005 and alpha equal 0.05. P is lower than alpha, therefore we reject the null hypothesis. Conclusion. We have enough evidence that the average price of the shampoos is greater than RN13. PET sample t-test. The methodology. We use direct observation as our data collection method, which is by surveying the prices of the products at drugstores. A sample of 17 toiletries and beauty products were selected from the drugstores using random sampling methods. These are the raw data. We visited two drugstores, that is Watsons and also Guardian. Statistical test. We want to see if there is enough evidence that on average, Watson's products are more expensive than Guardian's. Hence, this is one-tail test. PET sample t-test is used with a significant level of 0.05. These are the hypotheses. These are the SPSS output. On average, the price of a product in Watson is 11 ringgit and 73, while the price of a product in Guardian is 11 ringgit and 40 cent. Therefore, Watson's product is more expensive than Guardian's. Decision. Alpha equal to 0.05. Because of this is one-tail test, it must be divided into 2. 0.354 divided by 2 equals 0.177. Comparing A and P value, P is bigger than alpha, therefore we do not reject the null hypothesis. The conclusion. We do not have enough evidence to conclude that on average, Watson's products are more expensive than Guardian's. Independent sample t-test. Methodology. We use direct observation as our data collection method, which is by surveying the prices of men's and women's clothing at brands outlet. A sample of 24 clothes price for men and women was selected from brands outlet at ECM using random sampling method. These are the raw data. Statistical test. We want to see if there's enough evidence that on average, women's clothing are more expensive than men's clothing. Hence, this is one-tail test. Independent sample t-test is used with a significance level of 0.05. The hypothesis, like stated below. These are the SPSS output. From the output table, we can see that the sample means are 46.592 and 60.100, which means the average clothing prices for men and women are different. The decision: alpha equal 0.05, P equal 0.296 divided by 2 because this is one tail test, equal 0.148. Comparing A and P value, P is greater than alpha, therefore we do not reject the hash note. The conclusion: we do not have enough evidence that average of women's clothing is more expensive than men's clothing.
The main problem that our group face is the time management.
The problem that we are facing is that we have to travel to shopping malls to obtain our sample. We have to use Grab that costs a lot of money. So to overcome this problem, we decided to go to shopping mall with other groups to lower down the cost of transportation.
This is our first time working together.
We spent quite a lot of money just for this project.
Since it's the end of the semester, we have limited time to meet each other in a group and discuss. So our solution is we use emails and group chat to finish our task.
Okay, so the experience that we got from this project is we got to learn the theory random sampling by surveying men's and women's clothes at brands outlet.
Okay, the moral values that we get from this assignment, we have to be disciplined in punctuality to finish our assignment.
We learn to be more tolerant. We learn to be more responsible.
So in this project too, we could strengthen our bond between our group members and we could be better teamwork rather than when we were doing the project 1. So our teamwork for project 2 is better than when we were doing project 1.
Speaking as the leader and also the one who's in charge in compiling all the written work, I can say that I am very happy that everything went well and also according to plan. Especially how everyone gave their full commitment and support to make our project a reality. To say the least, that I am very grateful for having such a great teamwork, and also we will strive harder for our better result, be it in our performance or in our teamwork, inshallah, next time.